How to log in to QANDA. First of all, open the app on your device and wait for the login screen to appear. On this screen, you will see options such as continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and continue with other method. If you want a fast and simple login, choose continue with Google or continue with Facebook and allow the required permission. This will instantly sign you in using your selected account without needing to enter additional details. If you tap on continue with other method, you may see options like email or mobile number. However, email registration and login are not available at the moment, so you won't be able to log in using email. Because of this, the recommended method is to continue with Google or Facebook for a smooth login process. Once you select your account and give permission, you will be logged in successfully and redirected to the home screen. After logging in, you can start asking questions, uploading problem, and using all learning feature. Now you know how to log into QANDA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.